Do you ever feel like you're raising your child alone, even though you're technically not? Maybe your spouse has said something like, you're spoiling them, or they need to toughen up, or they will never learn when you do that. In the meanwhile, you're trying to parent with empathy, with awareness, and with intention. And it feels like you're rowing the boat alone. Here's the truth that nobody says out loud. You don't need full alignment to be a good parent. You just need to be consistent and connected. Hi, I'm Madam Han. I support hardworking parents in raising confident, emotionally resilient kids, even when it feels like your home is divided in approach. Today, I'm going to share 3 practical strategies that you could use when your spouse just does not parent like you do. And I'll also explain why, even in that situation, you are enough. Number 1, do not debate. Model calm confidence instead. When your parenting style is different from your partner's, you see, your instinct or immediate reaction might be to explain, to persuade, or to defend your approach. But very often, the best approach is to let results speak for themselves. When your spouse observes your child becoming more respectful, becoming more self-aware, and at the same time, even more connected to you, not because you forced them to obey, but because they felt emotionally safe with you, that is the moment that your partner might start to rethink things. Actually, no yelling is required. You model emotional leadership, calm, steady, quietly effective. And I can say this confidently because this is the exact situation in my own household. I model the leadership in this arena and let the results show for itself. Number 2, use "this is what I'll do" language. Do not get pulled into a tug of war of control. We really should avoid saying things like, "You should not yell at them just now, you know." My suggestion instead, lead with ownership. We could say something like, the next time when John is melting down, I will take over and help him regulate the way that works best for him. Let's work as a team. I am also trying things out. You see, it is calm, it is clear, and it also reduces defensiveness. Most importantly, it subtly communicates to our spouse, our child, and to yourself, "I've got this." Over time, your consistency is what builds trust. Very importantly, not just with your child, but with your partner as well. Number 3, share without pushing. You see, some spouses, they will not read a parenting book. They would not even attend a seminar, even when it is free. But they might watch a 2-minute video. So instead of, "You need to watch this," we could try saying something like, "This clip reminded me of what happened with John earlier this morning. You might find it interesting." This will come off as no pressure, no lecture, no criticism of your partner's parenting choice. Just an open door. You're planting seeds. And when people feel safe, they start asking questions on their own. Here's where I'm going to tell you why you are enough. You might feel alone, like you're the only one holding emotional space in your home. But you need to hear this. Every kid is one caring adult away from being a success story. This is a famous quote from Josh Shipp. One emotionally attuned adult is all that a child needs to develop emotional security. This is backed by multiple research, like the one from Harvard University's National Scientific Council on the Developing Child, which I'm going to link in the video description below. So, even if your partner never gets on board 100%, you can still be that anchor, your consistency, your calm, your love. It's more powerful than you know. And I say this with so much conviction from my experiences of having worked with hundreds of children and families. Have you ever felt stuck because your parenting partner is not on the same page? How did you handle it? Or what would you like to try differently the next time? Please share with me in the comments below. If this video helped you feel seen, hit that like button to help more parents find it. And subscribe for more practical, science-backed parenting support. Share it with that one mommy or daddy who needs to hear this today.